To finish the day, let's head to Southside Tavern. An example of what's possible when a few visionaries get a hold of an old feed store and revive not just an old building, but an entire downtown community. This is Britney and Nick Hammond, who along with Nick's brother Travis, made their Mills County dreams come true.
What do we have here, Brittany?
So we have our hand-breaded onion rings here.
The biggest onion rings in Texas.
It's a good onion ring.
That's a good onion ring.
The Southside Kitchen turns out some of the best craft dishes I've found on the road. Burgers, sandwiches, Texas-sized steaks. But this vision was born from a place every hard-working Texan knows all too well.
We got really hungry one night after working goats with Nick and Travis's grandfather, and there's nothing in town to eat at 8 o'clock at night. Travis,
we wanted a beer.
We wanted a beer.
You be honest, you weren't hungry, you were thirsty.
And so we said, why not?
With that simple question, an abandoned building that had once been their great-grandfather's grocery store and a feed store is now feeding the new generation of Goldthwaiters.
My wife here was very reluctant for the tavern name.
Goldthwaite wasn't so warm to the idea of a bar.
Okay, yeah.
Harkening back to the colonial term of a tavern, where our country was founded in one. It's a communal place. We've been blessed to be in Goldthwaite, where there is an absolute amazing community. That's what we wanted to be.
You feed the community well and treat them like family, well, they'll keep coming back. And keeping the food fresh and delicious is the job of Nick's brother and chef, Travis, a.k.a. Grumpy.
I mean, y'all are serious about cooking. Ingredients, food,
we've done
recipes.
it our entire life. This is what we were destined to do.
When you and your brother and everybody was looking at what kind of food are we gonna do, what were the thoughts?
Out there,
Okay.
it is kind of off the rails. If I think of something overnight, we're gonna do it the next day.
Just like in a moment of inspiration?
Yeah. My brother and sister-in-law, they give me a lot more freedom than what I should have, probably, but
They probably agree with that.
yeah.
They know it.
Trust me, nobody in town is complaining about Travis's creativity, except for that one time he tried lamb fries.
And lamb fries
We're
did not
talking
work.
Mills County mountain oysters.
Grown and harvested, yeah.
You might have gotten a little over your skis with that one.
It was.
Tonight, I'm going with one of Travis's delicious creations, bacon-wrapped meatloaf medallions, grilled and topped with tomato sriracha glaze.
Oh man, that's so good. Why have we never been doing this to meatloaf before? It's got all the kick from the sriracha. Woo! That is not your grandma's meatloaf right there. That is amazing. Like, what I love so much about Southside Tavern is they probably could have played it safe with the food, but like bringing people something new and innovative like this, like that's it right there. Let's push the envelope, right? Let's throw off the safety rope. Let's go.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.